it, fix it. Put the other ones in, that's alright. Go slowly. Alright, ready? I'll just put it in there like that. Now you just put it straight down. Good boys. Wait. Oh yeah, fix it on the table. Wait. It is hard work, yeah. Keep going. You're nearly there, Ash. It's too heavy. For you? That's to pull the nails out. It is a little key. Alright, ready? You want to hammer a nail? Want to hammer a nail? Look at you boys, hey? No, no, this one. Tools, huh? That, in that box, the yellow box. Oh wow! Yeah. Hang on, stop it. Take your finger off. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, yeah, let me undo that. No, no, in the other box. Alright, now where's the bit? Is it over there? No, that's it. Good choice, man.
Other yellow box.
Alright, yep, that's right. That yellow box. Okay, I'll do that bit. No, do that. Yeah, with the yellow bit on it. Get a nail. Get a nail out of that. Alright, Ash, point it up. Yep, that's it. Done.
Good job.
Good. Push it down. Hold it.
Alright, we're going to hammer a nail, Leo.
Yep, we're going to hammer a nail now. So what we're going to do, Ash, change that to the drill bit. Yep, undo that. And where's the nail? Here it is. Ready? Alright. So Leo, Ash is going to drill a hole. Okay? Ready? Now you tap it. Ash, don't touch it.
Good job, Leo.
Harder. Bit harder.
Great job, guys.
Nail.